Hello, my name is Eleonore Poli. I'm 26 years old and I grew up in Switzerland. Right now I'm doing a PhD in materials and metallurgy at the University of Cambridge in the UK. I'm studying coatings for gas turbines application, trying to understand why they're getting damaged in hot corrosion and fatigue conditions. In addition to being a PhD student, I was an analog astronaut and the commander of the crew for the mission Askepos-1 this summer 2021. For 8 days we simulated the lunar base 450 meters underground and 1.5k away from the surface of the Earth. For 2 years we trained for this in extreme environment, trained for first aid, scientific experiments, even cooking and public speaking, but mostly to be an effective team. As I really enjoyed an analog space mission, I also realized that the community was not strong enough. We don't necessarily know who is an analog astronaut. There's many different analog space missions and space agencies for this, and they do not collaborate enough. Therefore, I decided to found Chasm, the conference on human analog space missions. With this conference, I aim to get all analog space missions from around the world together. I aim to give them a place to talk about their work, to work on workshops so that we can share and discuss how different the missions are, what are the different focuses, what are the challenges that we face, but also so that we have a very strong community. I really believe that the people who do analog space mission are likely to then become astronauts, and therefore they will likely be the next ones on the moon or Mars. Therefore, if they're already born on Earth, there's a higher chance that once we go to the moon or Mars, we are still friends and we can bring humanity as a whole to Mars, instead of as separate countries or separate civilization that might go to war. I think it's a really important thing, and I really look forward to meeting so many analog space missions. For those of you who don't know what analog space missions are, I will be making a video and I will be explaining how an analog space mission works, what are the aims and goals, and some of the differences. In addition to being an analog astronaut, commander and a PhD student, I'm also the vice curator for the Global Shapers Cambridge Hub, where we aim to make an impact on local life and modern life. We try to do so by, for example, empowering women, working on sustainable fashion, working on discussing better about science to the public, recycling, and so much more. I founded the project Climate Clock Project, currently leading it, where we aim to give actions that help mitigate climate change and help people reduce their eco-anxiety. As hobbies, I play handball, I'm a triathlete, I play the piano, and I love doing photography. And this is one of my next projects, which is not to inspire as a person, but just to tell each and every one of you that you can make a difference, that you just need to believe in what you do and really get going. If you have a dream, if you think of something, go for it. It doesn't matter if it seems impossible. The fact that you try will inspire each other, will bring change. We can save our planet, we can explore Mars, we can do so many things, but it's about you believing that you can do it. It's about you not giving up, and then you show it by example. I hope you enjoy my videos. I'll see you very soon.